Hello, this is eSpin Adam. We're happy to assist you with the upcoming presentation. Let us know if you need any help, and we'll be glad to be of service. Open Burp Suite, go to the Proxy tab. Under the Proxy tab, make sure that Intercept is off status. Then, click Open Browser tab on the right side of Burp Suite Pro. Open your browser and type 127.0.0.1:8080 in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the welcome interface. Look for an option or link labeled CA Certificate. Click it and download. For now, click the right top of 3-point vertical and scroll down until Settings option. On the search box, type SSL to search the security column. On Security column, scroll down until Manage Certificate. Under Manage Certificate, then click Intermediate Certification Authorities column to import the CA certificate. Click Import button. Click Next. Then click Browse. Choose CA Cert file. Then click Open. Under Certificate Store, choose to place all the certificate in the following store. And then click Next. Click Finish. If users see this, it means user is success installing CA certificates. Click Close button. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope it was valuable and informative. For questions, contact us at info@espincorp.com or visit our website. Thank you again and have a great day.